Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered why it is blue? Well, if you did, you're not alone. The question has fascinated scientists and philosophers for centuries. It's a question that has puzzled many people throughout history, but the answer is rooted in the science. So, in this video, we will explore the fascinating science behind the blue appearance of the sky. So, as we know, air is a mixture of gases and it contains thousands of millions of air particles. And the sunlight consists of 7 different colors with different wavelengths. The blue and the violet color has shorter wavelengths. So when the sunlight enters the Earth's atmosphere, it collides with the molecules of air, causing the short wavelength blue and violet color to be scattered more than other colors and spread out in all directions. Now the human eye is more sensitive to see the blue color. That is why sky appears blue for humans, but most of the birds have sharp eyesight, so sky may appear violet for them. This is the reason why sky appears blue during the daytime, but during sunrise and sunset, the sunlight has to travel more of Earth's atmosphere, causing the longer wavelength red and orange colors to be visible, and giving us a beautiful color what we see during the sunset. Now you know the science behind blue appearance of the sky and some reddish appearance of the sunset. If you like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel.